Ah! I need to make something sweet. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of the Max AC channel. Last month we made a lot of sweet treats which made me super satisfied, but I also gained a few pounds. So for this month I thought we would balance out our indulgences by doing a new theme, Junk-Free January. In the past month we've made 4 recipes that will hopefully help aid you in returning to a more balanced diet after all those sweet treats. But for this week's episode, we will be making something both healthy and sweet, peach cobbler. For this recipe, you will need 3 tablespoons of blueberry, raspberry, strawberry, or mixed fruit preserves. I also have some boysenberry jam that I got from California, which I'll use as well. You can also use fresh berries, which I will also be using. In addition, you will need one 15-ounce can of diced or sliced peaches. If you want your cobbler to be more peachy, I recommend throwing in some more peach slices as well. For the cobbler part, you will need 1/2 cup of 2% cottage cheese, 2 scoops of protein powder. The recipe calls for vanilla flavored, but I currently have strawberry banana flavored, so I'll substitute for that. Then you will need 1/4 cup of flour and 1/3 cup of Truvia. You could just use regular sugar, but using artificial sugar will help you cut out the extra calories without losing too much sweetness. And for the topping, you will need 1/2 cup of quick cooking oats and 1 tablespoon of honey. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then while we wait, we'll prepare the cobbler. Grab your pan and spray it with some cooking spray, and then add the fruit preserves into the dish and use a spatula to spread it evenly. Next, we will add the peaches. Make sure to reserve the syrup it comes in, which should be about 1/2 cup of liquid, and then add your peach slices to the dish. The actual recipe calls for diced peaches, but I like my peaches in slices, so I'll just leave it as is. But if you want, just dice them up now. Then, in a bowl, add your cottage cheese, reserve syrup, protein powder, flour, and Truvia, and mix this until smooth, and then pour this on top of the peaches. In another bowl, mix together your oats and honey, and then spoon this over the top of the cobbler. Once your oven is ready, put your cobbler in and bake until it is golden, about 30 minutes. Once it's done, remove it from the oven and let it rest for about 20 minutes. And with that, your peach cobbler is now ready to eat. For this recipe, I actually had to make it again because the first time I accidentally burnt it. It also seemed like the fruit disappeared, leaving only this weird fruit bread. It still tasted fine, other than the burnt part, of course. But I didn't think I did the recipe justice, so I decided to try again, and I'm glad I did. I think that this is an important lesson to learn with regards to cooking, but also to other aspects such as fitness and eating healthy. You don't have to be perfect every time, but the more you try, it gets a little easier. But you gotta try, that's the hard part. But it does get easier. And if you don't know where to start, I recommend checking out legionathletics.com, where you can find the cookbook that this recipe is from, as well as some super helpful tips on nutrition and exercise. In addition to the book, you can also purchase high-quality supplements such as the protein powder needed for this recipe. If you want to purchase anything from here, and if you want 20% off your first purchase, you can use the referral link in the description. Overall, I think that this cookbook has been very helpful for finding delicious and nutritious recipes to make in less than 30 minutes. If you would like to check out 4 other recipes from this book, check out the last 3 episodes of the Max AC channel to see a sample of the 125 recipes in this Shredded Chef cookbook. In addition to the recipes, Mike Matthews also includes a bunch of tips and tricks about cooking and nutrition, so I highly recommend getting a copy for yourself. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. In the comments below, let me know how it went if you decided to make it, and let me know if there's anything you want me to make next. Like the video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to this channel for more episodes of the Max AC channel. And remember, If you want to stay cool in the kitchen, turn your AC to the max and watch the max AC channel. Oops.